When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and still.
Hey everybody, welcome to Utah. So I am in I'm in Draper, which is just south of Salt Lake City, and I'm going to my wife's cousin's wedding. But I got up super early so that I could fly the drone around a little bit, and there's ice under my feet. It is it's a little chilly out here. It's a little cold, but I decided to take just a little trip down to this little trailhead, not far from the hotel, fly the drone around in the mountains a little bit. Thought I'd take a little walk, and I thought I'd bring you along. Also, I just wanted to use the Ronin to get some sick B-roll. So let's just do that.
A green red delight with glimmering silver white. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day.
So I really just wanted to do just a super short video about the idea that wherever you go, wherever you might find yourself, whatever kind of situation you might be in, there's always a moment, there's always an opportunity to get up early, or to stay out a little later, to grab the sunrise, to get the sunset. Always have your camera with you, to sneak away, just even for a couple of minutes. And then it can really make all the difference in your trip. So get out there, grab your gear, and always have it with you. All right, that was a quick one. This was fun. I'll see you in the next one. See ya.